Welcome to Bidnik Tutors YouTube channel. In this channel, we will be breaking down topics of each science subject in order for you to have a better understanding of each topics. Because as a teacher, we believe that every student should understand fully every topics they are being taught. So, in order not to miss out on any of our videos, because all the videos we'll be uploading are very important, please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, like and share. We also have a Telegram channel where you can communicate with us, ask questions and meet with other educators. The link of our Telegram channel is in our YouTube bio and comment section. Now, say these after me. I understand mathematics. I understand physics. I understand chemistry. I understand further math. That is a spirit. Basic tutors. Excellence is our watchword.
Welcome once again to Basic Tutors YouTube channel. I want to use them to appreciate everyone who has subscribed to our channel, everyone who has been watching our videos. Thanks and God bless you. You are the very best. Alright, in my previous video, we did binary number system part 1. So in this video, we'll be doing binary system part 2. Yes. So now we have some examples on the board. So let's solve it now. So now to convert 10111 base 2 to base 6. We also have to convert 10358 base 8 to base 2. So the first we'll be doing now is to convert this to base 2. You understand? Then after which wherever we get, we're going to divide it by 6. Same with this, you understand? We multiply it by base 8. Wherever we get, we divide it by base 2. So that's how we're going to go about it. So it's not straightforward. Okay, so 10111 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't forget. So 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 2 raised to the power 4 is 16. 2 raised to the power 3 is 8 times 0. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. Everybody multiplied by 0 is 0. So 3 raised to the power 2 is 4. 2 raised to the power 1 is 2. 2 raised to the power 0 is 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. So let's calculate. So we have 16 plus 5, 6, 7. Okay, so that is 23. You get it now. So we've converted that already. So now we'll divide it by 6 now. So let's divide it by 6. 23 divided by 6 is 3. That is 18, remainder 5. So 3 divided by 6 is impossible, so it's 0, remainder 3. Have you seen that now? So we have 35. So the answer is, so we have 23 equals to 35 base 6. Have you seen that now? So that's how to solve this one now. Okay, so let's move to the next one now. Alright, so let's solve the second one now. So we have 1035 is 8. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3. 1 times 8 plus 0 times 8 plus 3 times 8 plus 5 times 8. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3. You get this now? So 8 raised to the power 3 is going to give us what? So let's calculate it. 3 is going to give us 5, 1, 2. 0, 8 raised to the power 2 is 64 times 0, 0. 8 raised to the power 1 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 raised to the power 0 is 1. So 1 times 5 is 5. So we have 5, 1, 2 plus 29. So that's 541. Okay, I think we're correct. Yes. So now divide it by 2 now. So what we get? We divide it by 2. So now let's divide it by 2. So now 5 divided by 2 is 2, remainder 1. 14 divided by 2 is 7. Then we have 0 because 1 divided by 2 is 0. We cannot go. So that is remainder 1. So now 2 divided by 2 is 1. This is 35. Remainder 0. So 13 divided by 2 is 6. Remainder 1. 7. Remainder 1. That is 67. Remainder 1. So this is 33. Remainder 1. Okay. So this is 1. This is 16. Remainder 1. Okay. So this is 8. Remainder 0. Okay. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. Remainder 0. So if it's going, so 4 divided by 2 is 2. So it goes. There's no remainder. So that's why we are putting remainder 0. But if it not go, put the remainder there. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Remainder 0. So 1 divided by 2 is impossible. So we have 0. Remainder 1. So we have what now? So we have 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 0, 3, 4, then we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, then we have 0, 1. Yeah, have you seen it now? So that is it. So we have 5, 4, 1. Give us this. This 2. So now that's the answer. So we have 5, 4, 1 equals to 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 is 2. So that's the final answer. So let's move to addition and subtraction now. Alright, so now I said we are in addition operation now. So to add in base 2, note that 1 plus 0 equals to 1, 0 plus 1 equals to 1, but 1 plus 1 equals to 10. You get it now? So this is how we get it. Just do like this. 1 plus 1 normally is 2. So 2 divided by 2. 2 in base 2. You get it now? This one is in base 2 now. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and then that's 0. So 2, 0, 1 remainder, 1 divided by 2 is impossible, so it's 0 remainder 1. So that's why we got 10. So whenever you see 1 plus 1, it is not 2. So it is what? Base 10. It is 10, I mean 1 plus 1 in base 2 is 10. Normally 1 plus 1 is 2. So that 2 will now divide by the base, which is 2. So that's what we just done here. Get it now. So 2 divided by the base, which is 2, make it 10. Get it now. So that's how we are going to be solving this. You get it now. So in base 10, 1 plus 1 is 2, but 2 in base 2 is what? Is 10. So now we have to add all these ones now. So let's solve it right away. So we have to solve this. So 111 base 2 plus 101 base 2. So we have 111 base 2, 101 base 2. So 1 plus 1 is 2. You get it now. So 2 divided by that base 2 give us 10. So this is 10. So we have 0 and then 1. Have you seen it now? Do you see that now? So 1 plus 1 is 2 again. So 2 in base 2 is 10. So we have another 0 again and then 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So now that 3 now divide by the base, which is 2. So that will be 3. Which is 3 divided by 2 is 1, and then that is 1. 1 divided by 2 is impossible, so it's 0, and then 1. So now wherever you see 3, instead of putting 3, you just put 11. 1, 1, you get it now. So 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, which is 1 plus 1, which is 2, plus 1 is 3. So the answer is 1, 1, 1. So we got 1, 1. So that's how to solve that. I'm so sure you understand that now. So let's solve the second one. 0, 1 gives 2. So you can just do it this way, or you can just change it. So anyone you pick, you still get your answer. 1, 1, 0. You can rearrange it or you can leave it this way. So I choose to leave it this way. So let's go. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 in base 2 is what? 1, 1. So we have 1 and 1. I'm so sure you're getting it. So 1 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. Plus 0 again is 1. So that 1 plus 1 is what? 10. 0 remainder 1. Do not get confused once you understand the logic. You get it now. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 in base 2 is 10. Or you can just say, yeah. So now 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 in base 2 is 11. So that's why it's 1 remainder 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 in base 2 is what? 10. So that's our final answer. Have you seen it now? So that's number 2. So let's do number 3 now. Number 2 has decimal point. So let's go. So we have 1.1011 base 2. We have 10.1001. So we have 10.01. So you can just, it's a 01, so you can just add a 00 just to complete it. You still get your answer. I'm so sure you get it. You can rearrange it anyhow you want it, but I just arrange it the way it is in the question. So you can just leave it that way. So we have 1 plus 1 is 2, as you know. So 2 in base 2 is 10. So it's 0 remainder 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 in base 2 is 10. So 1 plus 1 again is 2. 2 in base 2 is 10. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 in base 2 is 11. We have 1 remainder 1. Have you seen it now? 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 in base 10 is what? 2 in base 2 is 10. We have is 0 remainder 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 in base 2 is what? 11. So that's our final answer. Have you seen it now? So let's quickly move to subtraction. So we are done with addition. So let's move to subtraction now. If you have any question, do well to use the comment section below, or you come to our Telegram channel to ask us any question. We'll be there to answer you. Once you just go to our bio, you see the link of our Telegram channel in our YouTube bio. Alright, so this is subtraction operation now. Get it now? So we're asked to subtract this from this, this from this, and this from this. So let's do that now. So now to be different from the addition, so just pay attention, you understand? So now subtract this from this. So this will be at the top, this will be at the bottom. Again, because we are subtracting it from it. So this one will come first because it's bigger than this one. So we start from the back. 1, 1, 0, 1. I'm so sure you see the arrangement now. So now let's go. 1 minus 1 is a 0. So now 0 minus 1 is impossible. So we are going to borrow from here. So now when you are borrowing from using the base. When you borrow, so will be 2. You get it now? Because it is base 2. You get it now? So it is base 2. It is this 2 you are going to borrow. So now, when you move this 2 to this place, this is 2. Are you getting it now? This one will turn to 0. This one will turn to 0. When you move this 2 to this place, this one will turn to 0. So now when you now move this 2 to this place, because this is where we need it, this one will turn to 1. Get it now? So this is the 2. So just like we have 0, 0, 1, 2. Are you getting it now? So that is how we go about it. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So this one is already 1. Get it now because we've already moved this 2 to this place. So when you move this 2, that's it is decreasing. So this is 1. Get so that 1 minus, so that 1 minus 0 is what? 1. We already told you that this one is already 0 because we borrowed from here. So now this 0 minus 1 is impossible. What will happen? We'll borrow from here. Get it now? So we move to this place. We move this one we borrow, which is 2. We move it to this place. So this one will turn to 0 because we are borrowing from here. So that will be 2 minus 1 is 1. I'm so sure you understand now. So that's how you're going to solve this one. Get it? So when you move to the next one, you understand better. So we have to subtract. This one will come before this one. So we have 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, base 2. So then start from the back again. Is 1, 1, 0. So for you, 0, 1, 1. So to avoid mistake, that's why we are starting from the back. Now let's solve it now. 0 minus 1 is impossible. So since we have a whole number here, so it is easy for us to borrow. You get it now? We have a whole number here. It's not like this one, which is 0. Because this one is 0, that's why we move to this place. So since we have a whole number here, so it is easy. This one will borrow this one too. So it has already moved, the 2 have been moved to this place. So this one will be reduced to 0. To be reduced to 0. You get it now? because we are borrowing mainly from this one. Since we are borrowing mainly from this one will be reduced with 0 automatically. So this is the 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Have you seen it now? So now, you say this one is 0, so 0 minus 1 is impossible. So when we borrow from this one, it is not possible. Then we have to move to this whole number. So this whole number now, we're going to give this one 2. So when the 2 move to this place, this one will turn to 0. Are you seeing it now? So when this 2 now move to this place, this one will turn to 1. So this one is what? 2. Have you seen it now? So it's just like you have 0, 1, 2. I'm pretty sure you're getting the logic. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Have you seen it now? So we are left with 1 here. So 1 minus 0 is 1. Are you getting it now? So this one is already 0 because we borrow from here. We borrow mainly from here. So 0 minus 1 is impossible. So what will you do? You borrow from a whole number here. So when you borrow, if this is the base, it's the base we are borrowing. So this 2 will move here, and this one will automatically turn to 0 because we are borrowing mainly from here. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So 0 minus 1 is impossible. So we borrow from this one number here. When you borrow 2, this one we have 2, and this one will turn to what? 0. So 2 minus 1 is 1. This 2. So that is how to solve it. It's as simple as that. So you can watch this video over and over again for better understanding. So now the next one is this. So we have one, this one has the decimal points. So we start from the back again. It is 110.11 will be 2. Okay, so let's solve it now. Okay, let's solve it. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 1 is impossible. So we have a whole number here, so it is easy for us to do this. Moving to move this 2. We are borrowing 2. The reason we are borrowing 2 is because this is in base 2. If that is in base 4, so we'll be borrowing 4. So don't worry, we'll move to that later. So now the 2 will move to this place. This will automatically turn to 0. Get it now? So 2 minus 1 is 1. So now this one is what? Is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Point 1 minus 1 is 0. So 0 minus 1 is impossible. So we borrow from here, is the 2. So this 2 will be moved to this place. This will automatically turn to 0. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So that is our final answer. It's as simple as that. So now we'll be moving to the next one, whereby you have a better understanding of this subtraction of binary numbers. So this is addition and subtraction in other bases. So now are you saying that this one is different from the ones we've been doing? So we are going to, it's the same logic we'll be using, the same formula. Get it now. So this is, you have to add up 302 base 4, 212 base 4, and 201 base 4. So let's do that now. So we have 302 base 4, 212 base 4, 201 base 4. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5 is bigger than the base. When the number is equals to or more than the base, you are going to divide it by the base. Whatever answer you get, you divide it by the base. So since 5 is bigger than the base, so we have 5 divided by 4 is 1 remainder 1. 1 divided by 4 is impossible, so that is 0 remainder this one. The answer is 1 1. This is 1 remainder 1. Have you seen it now? 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 is lesser than the base, so we will read it as 2. 3 divided by 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. So 7 is more than the base. So we are going to divide it by the base. 7 divided by 1 is 1, remainder 3. 1 divided by 4 is 0, remainder 1. So we are left with 13. So because we have no other number here, are you seeing it now? So just leave it that way. So this is our final answer, 1321 base 4. So now let's move to the subtraction now. So now this is the subtraction. So we have to subtract this from this. So this is bigger than this. So we have 7502 base 8. So we have 4, sorry, we have 7, 4, 5, 6. Whenever you are subtracting, it is very important that you start the second number. The one at the down part, to start from the back. You get it now. So that you need to make some things up. So now 2 divided by 1, 2 divided by 7 is impossible. So now is the base will be what? Moving. So we have to borrow from here. but we have a 0 here. It's not a whole number. So we'll move to this side. So now we are borrowing 8 because 8 is the base. So when we borrow 8, this one will remove, if it be decreased, you get it now. So that's if you are removing 1 from this 5, you get it now. So this one will turn to 4. I'm so sure you listen now. This one will turn to 4. So when you move this 8, move it to this side. So when you now move it again, because we still need it, this is where we need it. When you move it from this place to this place, this one will turn to 7. Are you getting it now? So this one will turn to 7. So we now have 8 plus 2. That's how we're going to be doing this one now. 8 plus 2 is 10. 8 plus 2, 8, the 8 we borrow plus this 2, they will now subtract it from 7. So we get 3. So just continue to just continue to watching. So you know this one is 7. This one is 7. So 7 minus 4 is 3. Get it now. So we said that we borrowed from here. And when we borrow from here, this one turns to what? 4. Have you seen it now? So since we borrow from here, this one was reduced to 4. So 4 minus 5 is impossible. So we are going to borrow from here and put it here. So this one will be 8. Are you seeing it now? So now this one will turn to 6. That's if we remove 1 from this 7. So this one will turn to 6. Are you getting it now? So now 8 plus 4, which this one is remaining. 8 plus 4 is what? 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. So now this one is already 6. So 6 minus 6 is 0. So just leave it there. I'm so sure you understand. So I'm so sure it doesn't confuse you. So now that is for that. So now I want us to solve this so that you understand this again. I want you to, so and that's why I just have to hack this. I want you to understand this thing very well. So now 6 minus 7 is impossible. So you borrow from me, this is a whole number, so you can borrow. So when you borrow from me, this one will turn to 3. So you move this, the 8, I told you that this one is in base 8, so it will be 8. You get it now. So 8 plus 6 is what? 14. 14 minus 7 is what? 7. Are you seeing it now? So you've already borrowed from here. So when you borrow from me, this one will turn to 3. 3 minus 5 is impossible. So you borrow from me, this one will turn to 2. So that 8, you move this 8 to this place. Do you understand now? So this one has turned to 2 already. So now 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. So now this is 2 that is remaining. 2 minus 6 is impossible. So you borrow from here, this one will turn to 2. So the 8 will move to this place. So we have 8 plus 2. Don't forget, you have to add up this one. You have to add up the base which you borrowed, and with this 2 which is remaining. So there's 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. So this one is 2 already. So I'm so sure you get it now with this final example.